Hello world, what's going on with y'all? It's your boy again, the White Ghost. You feel what I'm saying, baby? Here with another quick tutorial, man, on my parking brake. Yes, my parking brake has failed me. Yeah, my part came in. Let me see if I can get a clear shot of it, man. If I can hold it still for y'all. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna set y'all up real quick, man. Yeah, man. So, what people don't understand is these cars are made different, man. Fortunately, man, all of them don't know what they be doing when they first make a car. They test them by us, and when it fails or whatever the case, that's when they tend to make the new part or whatever the case to go for it or what have you. So unfortunately, man, they come up with stuff like this. And the car now, this whole shaft right here, this whole little shaft with the teeth on and everything, you see, it's plastic. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, you feel what I'm saying, when it breaks, it could be broke in the parking brake part where the brake is applied, or it could be broke where the brake is unapplied. You understand what I'm saying? Luckily, I caught it and it didn't apply the brake. Unfortunately, I would have been stuck. So now they come out with the whole little shaft. Now the shaft in the car from top to bottom is metal or steel or whatever the case, but the whole teeth around it, this right here, is plastic. So we finna change this out, man, and get it started, man. So all right, we live. Let me set y'all up for what I'm finna do. So let's see. No, don't come with it. Yeah, so here we are in the car, in the trunk of the car. I'm gonna disconnect my battery because I'm gonna just go about it how I go. So I'm gonna disconnect my battery. That way I won't be draining my battery and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just disconnect the negative. That's all. I gotta do. Need a little Allen key. You know what I'm saying? Take one of these screws out. Alright. There she blows. There she blows. Okay. You got 3 10mm bolts. And easy. You know what I'm saying? Easy. Turn it. We're gonna go ahead and plug it too. Alright. Did I get that? Let me see. Ooh. Alright. Okay, I see the cables are locked. Not unlocked, so they're not quite locked like that. Alright. like I said. Look at that. See that? Let me get a better focus for y'all. Yeah. See how that, all that broken up. See all that there? Yep. That's what it is. Okay. So let me come back. Let me grab something. So with that being said, I'm gonna slide this off. Okay. See, that's the side right there. We gotta pop this out. There we go. See, the whole shaft is the same. It's the same. See, the shafts are the same. See, the only thing different about this, it has this around it. You feel what I'm saying? Like, see the difference? See what I'm saying? So, all right. Now, I'm gonna grease this up. I bought me some little gear grease, some mechanicals and shit. I just went to Walmart and grabbed some grease, man. You know, so. Alright, I'll put a little grease on here. We're gonna move it on up. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. Yeah. Nice. Greasy. Easy. Alright. Okay. Alright. Screw this motor, and whether y'all see it, hold on, let me make sure y'all see it. See? this way. You see it? Slowly but surely it's screwing it back in. So you gotta seat it. You gotta be seated. I'm spinning this motor. Got an awkward place in position. See how I'm spinning that and just slightly turning it. I think it's seated. Alright. Oh, damn. Shining. All right, I had to put the pin. Got the doggone put the pin back in. All right, I got to put this pin in down in here. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna plug this back in. You know. All right. Son of a bitch. Feels fine. Oh man, kind of hard, but that dog, I got her done. We got her done. All right, now I'm gonna take some pack it down. I don't want to grease and these. You understand? Alright. Down the grease. I see all the grease functions and junctions at. Mm-hmm. 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 As you see, people, I got the orange parking brake light. Yep. So let's set y'all up. What's going on, world? We back. I had to use my code scanner, my BMW little code scanner. I do got the software on the way, and I got a video coming up for that one. But I used my code scanner. I read the codes. I cleared the codes, and it was still up there. So as you see now, there ain't no orange light. All right. Apply the brake. Oh yeah. Unplug. Unplug. Off. It's on. All right. Now, let me put y'all back here so y'all can see. All right. So I go apply the brake. Off. On. Off. Sound sealed delivered, baby. I'm finna put all this stuff back together. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hold on. I say she's a go. With all that being said, man, like, comment, share, and please subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, I got many videos to come, taking all these matters in my own hands. I was out the other day, applied the brake, and heard the crank like, so I hit the button real quick to unapply it. Waited till I got home. When I got home and I applied it, it was already broke, so it wouldn't apply the parking brake. But the parking brake light illuminated orange. You know what I'm saying? So therefore, I just went on ahead and waited. Went on to order the part on eBay. It got here in like almost like 3 days. Ordered it Friday? Got here today. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So therefore, with that being said, once again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to be at y'all with more videos to come.